Welcome to StickWisely, where simple lines tell powerful stories. Each story begins with courage, grows with hope, and ends with a lesson that lights the way. When the storm destroys your path, will you wait for rescue or start building your own bridge? This is a story of courage and the quiet strength that helps others cross safely. The wind howled, the bridge was gone, the river raged below, but Lumo didn't turn away. He stood tall in the rain, ready to rebuild. With trembling hands, he placed the first plank. One act of courage, one promise of hope. Piece by piece, the bridge took shape. Progress wasn't loud, it was patient and full of faith. When the bridge was ready, the traveler crossed, step by step. And for the first time, Lumo wasn't walking alone. The rain faded, the clouds broke. The traveler waved goodbye. No words were needed. Gratitude said it all. True strength isn't building bridges for yourself. It's building them strong enough for others to cross too. Storms will come again. Bridges may fall. But every time someone chooses courage over comfort, another bridge is built. This is StickWisely, stories that build courage, one line at a time. If this story touched your heart, like the video, subscribe and share it, so more hearts can find their bridge too.